Okay, welcome back. This is an ABC. This is an ABC. This is a 10th rank training video about numbers, and I'm going to do 2 steps with numbers. I'm going to do Yuta-kun here. He's gone from last week. He went from 1 to 19 pretty fast and pretty well. And then he stumbled on the 20 zone. So today I want to test what we test for from 20 to 100, because we know that the pyramid here, if you can look at the pyramid, it goes to 20, and the next step is 100 on there. So what happens in between that, and how do they actually finish passing off the test? I will show you right now. Okay, so here we go. You ready? What is this?
20.
20, okay. And what is this?
100. 100.
100, okay. Now, he's only partially done with the test. This is about halfway done with the test, okay? Now, he has to do from English to Japanese. Now, this is how it starts. Yuta, here we go. Okay? English to Japanese, okay? What is 35 in Japanese? 35. Sanjugo. What is 23 in Japanese? 23.
13.
23. 23.
23.
Ooh, good. Yes? Yes, that's right. Okay. 72.
72.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Okay. 20.
20.
Yes?
Yes.
12. 難しいね. This is difficult, huh? 12. Okay, wait.
12.
Yes? That's right. How about 91? Big number. 91 in Japanese. 91.
91.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now, 反対。日本語、英語でなんて言う? Okay, here we go. 43 in English. 43 in English. 43. なんでない? 40?
43.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. 36.
36.
Yes?
Yes.
じゃあ難しいの。81.
81.
Yes?
Yes.
じゃあ20. 20. Yes?
Yes.
Whose feet? Stop, Yuta. Your feet. Stop. 12. In English.
12.
Yes?
Yes.
Passed your test. You can color in 20 and 100. You give me a high five. Excellent job on it. The biggest key factors with that test was you notice that I hit on the 20 and the 12, because Japanese always flip them around and they get it mixed up quite a bit. So in the test I tested what 20 was in Japanese and what 12 was in Japanese, and then opposite. I said what niju was in English to make sure that he could really get it. Some students, I can have them count to 1,000, more 985 and all this other stuff, but yet when I say what is 20, they stumble. And that seems to be difficult because for some reason it sounds the same to Japanese ears, the 20 and 12, and they get it confused quite often. So test that one and make sure it's okay. Now what you've noticed here with Yuta, he's colored it in 2 colors. And that's a reason for it. I told them before, and over here also, you can see in the basic answers also that they've colored it in two colors here. What this means is this is one test, and this was a second test on here. However, these ones don't matter. I don't really care that much on it. You can see that the colors was one solid color. That means that he did it in one test, one shot. And so too, this one over here, the basic answers was in 2 colors. It means last week he did only 1, this week he did 3. And that's done that way for easy to see on how different it is. It's not necessary, it's not required on it, but it's a fun thing to see, okay? Now let's go over here, and we're going to find out how to do numbers. Now since since Utah, you finished your numbers. Now, he becomes the teacher. Now, he's the teacher. Sensitinado, you're the teacher. You gotta say yes or no on this one, okay? So you're the teacher. Here we go. Aoi, good luck at this one. What's this?
1. Yes. 2. Yes. 3. Yes. 4. Yes. 5. Yes.
One more time.
5.
Yes.
6. Yes. 7. Yes. 8. Yes.
Yes. Okay, a little slower.
9. Yes. 10. Yes. 11. Yes.
11, yeah, okay. Ooh. 12. Okay, so we'll stop there, okay? So 1 to 11 you can color in, okay? Right there. Good luck on that here, okay? Nothing. I think what the problem is, I think she knows the answers to it, but because in all the other bingos and throughout the year we've been doing this test, she doesn't have a problem with numbers. But for some reason, when you get a test and everyone's watching her because she's a kindergarten kid, you tend to get a lot of stress involved here. So use a little bit of knowledge of what your kids, how the kids are going to snap, how the kids are going to perform in groups, private, all that stuff. Take that in consideration when you do your tests on it. And I wouldn't say it would be illegal to do a group test. No, that wouldn't be illegal. But this is exactly how PLS needs to be tested. But again, like I said, use a little bit of common sense on putting groups together to help out with your testing and stuff too. But that's how it goes, and that is the number test. Okay. So good luck. Watch it again and try it out with the kids. Bye bye.